Now nearing its third year on the market, the New Balance 1906R remains a favorite among casual sneaker enthusiasts. Its enduring popularity is largely thanks to New Balance's smart strategy of expanding the line with variants like the 1906U, 1906A, and the widely embraced 1906 liters. While these offshoots add variety, the original 1906R continues to command attention, especially with bold new looks like the upcoming black and green colorway. This latest edition pairs a deep black mesh base with chrome-finished overlays, punctuated by striking slime green accents for a daring, unconventional feel. The color scheme recalls fan-favorite designs like the Neon Knights, which stood out on the resale market for their unexpected palette. Though the shock factor of such combinations may have faded slightly over time, the contrast of dark neutrals and vivid green still delivers strong visual impact. With a retail price of $155,